Most saving plans fail because they feel like punishment. Too heavy on day 1, too fragile on day 7. Tonight, we fix that. You will install a $25 mini raise ladder that quietly gets stronger every 60 days, only when life feels calm. So your buffer grows without your brain noticing. Here is the promise. In the next minutes, you will get 3 things. 1. The ladder rule you can say in one breath. 2. A Saturday-only check that keeps it alive. 3. A script to raise your transfer without anxiety. At the end, you will post your line and start this week, not someday. First, the map we already use: bills, spend, save, and invest. Bills, funds, essentials, and your cushion. Spend covers the week. Save and invest grows your buffer and keeps your calm by alive. The ladder plugs into save and invest. It increases that transfer by $25 at controlled intervals. No heroics, no spreadsheets, no shame. Why do we need a ladder at all? Because intensity breaks, identity persists. When we jump too fast, like I will save $300 every paycheck now, we burn out on week 2. The ladder respects psychology. It raises only when you have proved calm. Calm first, size later. Here is the rule in one breath. Every 60 days, if the last 2 weeks felt calm, raise my post-payday transfer by $25. If not calm, skip once. Saturday only. That is it. For decisions that never happen midweek, never happen in a mood, and never require willpower in the checkout line. Open loop for later. I will give you the exact 12 words to put in your banking app, so future you does not negotiate with present you. Hold that. We will install the words after the examples. Set the baseline. Suppose you are sending $25 after payday today. In 2 months, if life was calm, it becomes $50. 2 months later, $75. After a year, if you passed each calm check, you are at $175 per payday, built gradually and painlessly. If life was not calm, you did not fail. You skipped once and tried again. The chain stayed alive. Where does the money go? Follow the tiers. First, it tops up your cushion to your floor, often $500 to $1,000 for brand new starters. Then it feeds tier 2, 1 month of essentials in a separate high-yield savings labeled Fast Emergency. After tier 2 is full, it can begin tier 3 or keep strengthening tier 2. All while a tiny calm by one broad index fund once per month proves your investing identity is still intact. Let us run to real weeks so you can feel it. Week 1, Friday deposit lands. Saturday morning, never Friday night. The transfers fire, bills. Then the cushion if it dipped, then your laddered save and invest. You open the app for 60 seconds. You see 3 green boxes, you close it. No dashboards. No guilt spiral. Your weekly spend reloads on Sunday to a number you can keep. Week 2, no deposit. The wheel keeps turning. The calm buy executes next Thursday for a small, survivable amount. You get the receipt, you do not scroll prices. Chainunbroken.com beat noise again, pushback. I cannot raise anything. It is tight, good. The ladder expects that. Your job is not to raise every 60 days. Your job is to check every 60 days. If the last 2 weeks felt tight, you skip once. That is part of the rule. The habit bends. It does not break. Irregular income, use percentages on top of the ladder. Think presets. Lean 5%, normal 10%, feast 15% toward the buffer. The ladder still checks every 60 days. It still raises by $25 only if the last 2 weeks were calm. The rule bends with your month. Your identity does not. Partners, use mine, yours, and ours. The ladder lives in ours because emergencies are shared. Each of you can still run a personal mini raise on your own accounts. On Saturday, you look at the same 3 questions. Calm or not calm? Did the calm by execute? Is the next month of bills already funded? If yes, consider the raise. If not, hold steady. Bring in a character. Ray, seasonal work. Summer's heavy, winter's thin. Ray started at $25 per payday. First 60 days felt calm, raised to 50. Then life punched, car repair. Ladder did not break. Ray skipped 1 check, refilled the cushion first, then tier 2. Next cycle felt calm, plus 25 to 75. By month 12, the transfer was 150. Cushion stayed healthy. Tier 2 reached a full month, and the calm by never went to sleep. Nothing dramatic happened in markets. Something dramatic happened in behavior. Time to pay off the open loop. The 12 words you put in your banking app when you schedule the raise, Saturday only. If calm for 2 weeks, add 25. If not, skip. Put that sentence in the memo of your recurring transfer, and in your calendar, reminder every 60 days. It is a guardrail against future you negotiating with present you. Install the Saturday check that makes this hard to mess up. It takes 45 seconds. 1. Are next month's bills covered? If yes, stop feeding bills until the cycle resets. 2. Did the calm by execute this month? If it failed, reschedule for next Thursday. 3. Did the last 2 weeks feel calm? If yes, open the transfer and tap plus 25. If not, tap skip once. That is the ladder. Optional leak sweep. Find one $10 leak, subscription fee, or habit, and redirect that exact dollar to your ladder. Small leaks plug big holes over a year. High interest debt. Never miss minimums. Keep your cushion at the floor so daily life stops breaking. While Tier 2 is still growing, split extra between Tier 2 and your highest cost debt. When Tier 2 hits 1 month, push harder on the debt. .com plus progress beats perfect math you cannot keep. Common mistakes you will not make with this ladder. 1. Raising midweek. We never raise midweek. Saturday only. 2. Raising after a stressful fortnight. If it was not calm, you do not earn the raise yet. 3. Killing the calm by do not pause your identity. Size it to survive lean months. Write your 1-page tracker to make success visible. Paper, 3 rows, 500, 1,000, 1 month. Under each, draw 10 tiny boxes. Add today's numbers. Each payday, color 1 box. When a row fills, celebrate with a clean, cheap reward, a walk, a call, a single-serve coffee. Rewards keep systems alive. Mini raise physics in 30 seconds. We add weight slowly so your nervous system does not fight you. You are training a reflex, not proving a point. The goal is more savings and less stress, not a big number for a screenshot and a quit. Do the first 2 raises on paper so there is no friction. Raise number 1, day 60. If calm, 25 to 50. Memo says, SaturdayOnly.com plus 25. Raise number 2, day 120. If calm, 52.75. Same memo, same Saturday. If either check was not calm, circle, skip, and try again next cycle. The chain is the win. Fast start. Right after this video, open your bank. Schedule a post-payday transfer for $25 labeled Mini Raise Ladder. Set a calendar reminder 60 days out with the memo. Saturday only. If calm for 2 weeks, plus 25. If not, skip. Put the one-page tracker where you pay bills, color the first box, that is day 1. Comment CTA, word for word, ladder $25, Saturday only, raise in 60 days.com, buy alive. Post your line so we can move together. Next Monday, we will look for 1 win and 1 block in the comments. Your line will nudge somebody else forward, and that compounds too. If you want a picture for your brain, the ladder is not a sprint up a hill. It is a staircase with deep steps you can stand on. Each step is earned calm. Each step is another week you do not panic sell because the buffer and the habit did their jobs. Close the loop, open the app, fund bills. Send the 25 color 1 box. Close the app. Go live your weekend. When life gets loud, you will already have the sentence, the Saturday, and the next step. Calm beats noise, rules beat moods. We build wealth by repeating boring wins. See you on Saturday with the first raise earned. Educational content only. Not financial, tax, or legal advice.